Hi everyone, Mike from Gasoline Alley here. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our Marx bumpers on this Western Auto truck here. So this is part number MXP024. Before we begin, we want to make sure the truck is ready to have the new part installed. First thing to check, we want to make sure that the front of the truck, the cab here, is as straight as possible. And that's due to the way that these bumpers clip in. They clip in just like the original and then are riveted on the bottom. And if the truck is not flat, there's potential to damage the grille or to not have it fit properly. So once that step's completed, next you want to make sure that this little tab here that holds the bottom of the chassis to the front is as flat as possible. If yours isn't, all you need to do is just take a pliers or a hammer and a chisel and kind of flatten it, pound it over and make sure it's flat. We do have an area in the back of the bumper to make sure that doesn't interfere, but it's much better if that's as small as possible. So when your package from us arrives, it's going to look like this. It's going to come with the actual grille itself and two little rivets to hold it on. So we'll set those there. So first what you're going to do, just take a look at the bumper here. So these are the holes that the rivets will be installed into once it's in place. And these are the clips that will go into the front of the cab here. All right, the tools we're going to need for this is a pliers to adjust your cab if need be, and secondly is our riv tool here. So these come with the roll over, round over style rivets here. If you do need one of these tools, we do offer them for sale on our website along with this bumper. Its part number is RIVTOOL, so just go on there and find that. And after that, let's hop to it. So like I was mentioning before, these clips here, they just clip in. So you just want to tip the grill just like that. And then it fits up tight against there. The other thing note here, or then I guess the next step, you need to put the rivets in. So they just go in the hole there. Again, these are reproduction parts, so we might need to finesse things a little bit to get them to fit. There you go. So you may need to move the bumper around a little bit to get it to fit. Then basically you need that rivet to come through the hole there. And again, push down on this side here. Just try to be gentle with the parts so we don't damage anything. Just set that one aside for now. And once you get the rivet in, you're going to take the riv tool here and put the rounded end on the head, and this little button style end goes over the end of the rivet. So open it up here. As much as you can by hand. And then what you want to do is take this and turn it until the end peens over, and then that will secure the bumper in place. So after that first one is in, then you want to take this other one here, put it in. I was struggling with before. You just have to move the bumper around. You're basically going through the bumper and two thicknesses of steel there, and you'll want to just get it nice and tight. And you'll take the riv tool just like you did on the first one, tighten it down, lock it into place. And you'll have a new grille on your Marx Western Auto cab over truck. All right, that completes the installation of this grille on this Marx Western Auto Store's cab over truck. Again, that is part number MXP024, and the riv tool that we used to put the part on in the video is RIVTOOL. These parts, along with all the other parts we offer for vintage toys, is available on our website, gasolinealleytoys.com. Thanks for watching our video here. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We got more videos like this coming in the future. Thanks again and have a great day.